now we've got a couple things to kind of clean up. So what we need to do is we want to make it to where when our ship is destroyed, that it makes a noise, and we're going to do that by going to our object for our enemy. And once we're in that, we're going to make it to where the destroy instance section that we made, when it's destroyed, it then processes and makes a sound. So what we're going to do is just add the play audio button to that. And notice we've already created those sounds. They're already existing here in our resources, so we can use them at any time. So we're just going to go ahead and hit ship destroy. So when this instance is destroyed, the ship is going to blow up. But that's what's kind of going to happen. And it's just going to go away, and then this can happen. As we get more complicated in our game, the ship we might trigger other things. So when the ship gets detected by the bullet and they collide, we might have the ship trigger an animation so that the ship looks like it's exploding, and then the audio plays, and then it disappears, right? So there's multiple things that we're going to add to this game as we get it more robust and just get it in better shape. But for now, this is kind of how we're going to destroy the ship. Now, the last thing that I wanted to do was also add in the sound effect for the background noise. Now, we've added the background sound file to our sounds, and we made that in our 8-bit program. And so what we're going to do is go to the rocket ship, and we're going to add it to this instance. So when the rocket ship is created, what we want it to do is play that background sound. This gives us some control that we can use later on for when the level is over. We're going to change what happens and maybe make the rocket ship move, do different things. So what we're going to do here is add an event and create. So what we're saying is that when the rocket ship is created, we want something to happen. That something is to play an audio clip. We'd like it to play the background music, and we want it to loop repetitively. So let's go ahead and test out our two new things that we've added to the game. Let's go ahead and hit play. All right, we've got our background music. We're still hearing our shots. Let's see if we destroy some ships. Beautiful. We've already got the better part of a game working for us now. So you can see that it just keeps building and keeps building and keeps building. And a lot of our early planning is going to lead up to a really cool, fun game later on.